And ladies and gentlemen, exclusive performances. Ladies and gentlemen, a voice of Cross State, a winner when it comes to entertainment and music in Abi local government area, a great bio of music. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I just don't want you to put your hands together for
Sammyetet School of Arts. We are here to present the song.
Well, I may not be an academy to the town, to CALABAR, to train your hearts on different kinds of art. Initially, I thought he was joking, but when I keyed into his dream, I discovered he was serious. And this is just the beginning. These are different kids from different homes, different academies, coming together to do this awesome job. So I want you to please put your hands together for this man. He's doing a great job. And probably he'll give us a 60 seconds information on this academy. Let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, standing before you is Sammyetet. Basically about Sammyetet School of Art. Sammyetet School of Art is a foundation where young ones, primarily designed for kids, to learn, adapt, and at the same time possess artistic knowledge via other artistic areas like music, painting, drawings, dance, ballet, instruments, and many more, including poetry. So this is basically a tip of that, what is happening out there. And to add to this, our classes are always on Wednesdays 4 p.m., Fridays 4 p.m., then Saturdays 10 to 1. So it's primarily designed for kids.